Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Little Crown Styles. So this is the hairstyle I talked about in my previous video when I said I want to be styling my kids rubber band hairstyle just to increase the length of their hair. So let's get started. One thing I don't always miss before I start styling my kids' hair is moisturizing. After I moisturize the hair, I comb it and I pack it for some minutes before I finally apply hair cream. So this is just to make it shine and to make everything smooth. Then after that, I just went ahead to start sectioning the hair just like so. Follow my hands, guys. You know, I talked about this hairstyle in my previous video. I said I style a rubber band hairstyle for my kid, but I make it a bit stylish. So this is Victoria. Since I've already explained the benefit of using rubber band hairstyle for your kids' hair in my previous video, so I'm just going to allow you